What we're working to do is to help people find financial independence, okay? We're literally here to help people that have a dream, a desire to do better in life, to earn more money, put themselves in situations where they can benefit financially, tremendously benefit financially. You got to think big and just know that we're after a percentage, a very small percentage of the market can change our entire lives forever. I mean, 100,000 cardholders, it's not even a blip on the map. 1 million people carrying our card, it's not even a blip on the map. However, 100,000 or 1 million people with this card, and everybody on this call is 6 figures and even maybe some 7-figure earners. Number one, it allows you to have a seat at the table. When we have this card in our hand, that we go somewhere, we make a purchase, and we drop it on the counter or whatever, we call it the boss toss, that sound attracts people. We know that. People who have done it know that. All right, you can order one, you gotta be invited to get it.